Creating a saved audience Facebook remarketing campaign. Hey there, everyone. Creating saved audiences is the safest way to ensure that you won't forget to use the perfect targeting options every time that you create a campaign. What's more, it allows you to save different targeting combinations that you can test out when appropriate. In this lesson, we are going to show you how to create a remarketing campaign to retarget a test segment of your website audience. Start on the campaign creation page. You can target saved audiences with any type of marketing objective. But because we're going to test with retargeting a very specific segment of our website visitors, we are going to select conversions as our marketing objective. Let's now move to the ad set section. First, let's enter a name for the ad set. Then make sure that website is selected under conversions and click on the Select the Conversion Event field to select an event tracked by your Facebook pixel. Now move to the Audience section and click on the Use a Saved Audience drop-down menu to select your saved audience. In this case, you can see that we selected a saved audience that targets a very specific segment of potential website visitors. Okay, let's move on. In the Placement section, leave Automatic Placements selected. Now go to the Budget and Schedule section to set up your campaign's budget and schedule. Now click on Continue to start creating your ad. First, enter the name for your new ad. Next, select the page that will represent your website in the ad. Now select an ad format and media. Now enter your ad copy into the primary text field. Next, make sure that website is selected under Destination, and then enter your landing page URL into the website URL field. Finally, review your ad setup. Preview the ad creative in the ad preview window, and then click on Confirm to launch a campaign. Creating a remarketing campaign to retarget users in your saved audiences doesn't get easier than this. Skyrocket conversion rates by retargeting specific URL visits. Retargeting can go wrong in many ways, but you must choose the right way to retarget the right people. Retailers usually retarget every visitor of their site with the same ad. This technique can help, but it's not the best idea. Keep in mind that your website has different pages and products that are attractive to different people, so the task is to point that out. Arrange the visitors with their preferred page or product and hit them with a matching ad. Show your audience the specific ads that will be more convincing for them. Let's look at this example if a person visits your website to read your blog post and signs off, and another person who is more attracted to your products and is checking them out. You are going to hit the second person with the same ad of the product he was searching for, and for the first person, you can show an ad of your blogs related to the one that person was reading. This retargeting based on specific URL visits can be very helpful for your business. Website Custom Audience. A website custom audience enables you to create a list of people that visit your website and take specific actions. In this way, you will be able to hit these people with custom ads made just for them. This helps in re-engaging the people who visited your website and left without converting. Strategies to be used while retargeting specific URL visits. Here are some strategies that will be helpful for you to retarget using a website custom audience. Retarget all your traffic. This is in the default ad campaign setting of Facebook, and it can be helpful for people having less website traffic to interact with. All you must do is specify the duration of your audience and start the campaign. Retarget people who visited a specific page for a product but didn't purchase. People who are interested in one of your products would not be impressed by an ad you created for everyone. Create an ad that contains their favorite product and probably a discount code for it. This strategy will help you more as you are striking at the right spot. Remind them to complete their purchase if they are distracted by any way. Offer them a discount if they are reluctant to pay you that much money. Select the people who visited that page of a specific product. Add the URL of that page, insert the duration, and simply run the campaign. Retarget your contact page viewers. Maybe some people are visiting your contact page to have a collaboration with you, or they can be interested in working with you. Hit them with the right ad, the one including your policies of working with others, how you hire employees, and your contact information. This ad can help the audience in getting what they want and remind them to talk to you. Add the target audience, insert the URL of your Contact Us Thank You page, specify a duration, and run the ad. Retarget people who added products to their cart but didn't check out. These ads will be specifically for people who visited your website for buying, added products in their baskets, and even initiated the checkout process but didn't confirm it. These people may need to be reminded to complete their purchase. All you have to do is create an ad for them. Probably provide a 10% discount code that will be a temptation to complete their purchase. Select the Add to Basket action, checkout action, and create a refined campaign for these specific people. Retarget your previous buyers. This ad campaign will be specified for people who previously bought stuff from you. You will have to target them with ads of products similar to their previous purchase or something complementary to it. Take your time and make groups of your buyers. If a person has bought a bed from you before, try not to hit them with an ad for a different bed after a few weeks because they won't need that. You can target them with ads of stuff that will complement their previous purchase, like decor items, bed sheets, and other furniture, including side tables or maybe a couch. Retarget your blog readers. Who wants to hit the visitors of your blog page with an ad of your new decor collection? You must customize the audience and create a specific ad made just for them. You can promote more of your content by targeting your readers. Select the people who visited this URL and specify the duration of the ad campaign to hit just these customized visitors with their specific ad. If you retarget specific URLs, you can eventually convert more traffic on your website and get your business growing.